Hi everyone, Sean here with BrokerBot. Excited to announce a new update, and that is folder structures and team structures. So what we're solving for here is if you have agents in your brokerage, in your team, different staff, that kind of thing, giving them access to just certain documents and not other documents had been really difficult. So what we wanted to do is come up with a way where you could give access to information to certain people in your organization and not to other people. So it's a twofold structure. Here's how we solved it. One is within the folder structure. We have created not just internal organization-wide, but specific folders of information that are only accessible to either specific users or specific teams of users. And so naturally, the other part of what we had to solve for here was we had to create groups. As an example, you could create, let's say you have multiple MLSs that your brokerage services, you could create one group and call it MLS1, and then you could go here, add members. You could add just certain people into that group for MLS1. And this would be like, let's say you don't want MLS2 users to have access to all the information or get confused with information in MLS1. So we create a group called MLS1. And then here we're going to create a folder called MLS1. And we're going to make sure that only specific users have access to that information. So we're going to go here, we're going to go to sharing, and instead of selecting even just specific users, I can select a group of users. So this way, this is nice and clean. Whenever I want to share information with a specific group of people, all I have to do is add that information, upload it to this folder specifically. I don't have to keep adding people to each document. And when I first add someone to MLS1, I never have to modify that again. They will always have access to whatever that folder has access to. The outcome here is able to be flexible with the both vertical and horizontal organizational structures you may have when it comes to MLSs, commercial versus residential, multiple states. If you've got some agents who are licensed in both states, some agents who are licensed in only one state or a third state, all kinds of use cases here. So go in, take advantage of it, test out that knowledge center folder structure for specific users and the group structure, which also helps you to easily manage that. Go make good use of it, and we'll see you in the next one.